Want to sound natural when you meet Korean for the first time? Or maybe you're traveling to Korea soon and you want to make good first impression? Today I will teach you exactly how to introduce yourself in Korean, step by step, with real examples so you can start using it right away. Let's jump in. First, let's start with the basics, your name. The most common and polite way to introduce your name is either 제 이름은 땡땡입니다 or 저는 땡땡입니다. For example, my name is Haley. Translated to Korean is 제 이름은 Haley입니다. Or you can just say 저는 Haley입니다. To break it down, 제 is my, 이름, name, 입니다, and is. So that's the formal ending. 입니다 sounds very polite, super perfect for first meetings. Next, you can say where you're from. And here's the sentence. 저는 땡땡에서 왔습니다. 저는 땡땡에서 왔어요. For example, I'm from Vietnam. We can use 저는 베트남에서 왔습니다. 저는 베트남에서 왔어요. To break it down, 저 means I, country name plus 에서, from country, and 왔어요 or 왔습니다 means came. And it's super easy. You can just put your country's name into the 땡땡 part. For example, just replace Vietnam with your country's name and it's gonna be perfect. If you want to make your introduction even better, you can introduce about your job or what you do. And the most basic sentences, super easy, super common. 저는 땡땡입니다. I am a something with a job. For example, 저는 학생입니다. 저는 선생님입니다. And you can just put the name of your job into the part and it's gonna be perfect to introduce about your job. Some common jobs vocabulary just for you. 학생 means student. 선생님 means teacher. 회사원 means office worker. 번역가 means translator. If you want to sound even more polite in formal setting, you can add 직업은 땡땡입니다. 직업 means job. So that means my job is something. But normally, 저는 땡땡입니다 is enough. If you want to make it even more fun, you can add a little bit about yourself. For example, like hobbies or fun facts about yourself. Hobby in Korean is 취미. 제 취미는 땡땡입니다. Just a note to make it grammatically correct here, you should put in the 땡땡 part a noun. So for example, my hobby is taking photos. Taking photos in Korean is 사진을 찍기. To put it in a full sentence, it should be 제 취미는 사진을 찍기입니다. And you could just simply put anything into that part to talk about your hobbies. Okay, now let's put everything together. 안녕하세요. 제 이름은 헤일리입니다. 저는 베트남에서 왔습니다. 저는 학생입니다. 제 취미는 사진을 찍기입니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. So you can see, to start with your self-introduction, people usually use a good 안녕하세요 and then end up with 만나서 반갑습니다, which means nice to meet you. Now it's your turn. Try to introduce yourself in Korean and comment below. Use the template I gave you. I'll check and give you feedback. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Korean related contents. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!